In the previous class, we have learned about the fractions and we have solved the exercise 1.2 3 problems, right? So in this class, we are going to solve the rest of the problems. Okay. So question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 hole 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 hole 2 by 3 centimeter wide. So find its perimeter. So here they are given the rectangular sheet of paper. The length is 10 hole 1 by 2 centimeter and the breadth is 10 hole 2 by 3 centimeter. Then what is the perimeter of the rectangle? We know that the paper sheet is in the form of in the rectangle shape, right? So the perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B. So just we have to substitute the length and breadth of the sheet of paper in the form. Okay. Let's substitute here, which is equals to, so write down equals by equals, then 2 into length is given 12 hole 1 by 2 plus breadth is 10 hole 2 by 3, 10 hole 2 by 3, close the bracket. Then here here is the improper mixed fraction, just convert into improper fractions. Write it 2 as it is, keep the bracket. 2 12 is 24, 24 plus 1 is 25 divided by 2 plus 3 10 is 30, 30 plus 2 is 32 divided by 3. So let's see here, these two are improper fractions, we have to add. So to add these two fractions, we have to take the LCM for 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are prime numbers and complex numbers also. So we have to take the LCM as a product of 2 and 3, that is 6, right? So write up here LCM of 2 and 3 is equals to 6. Okay, then let's do it that side. So you have to continue that side, okay, which is equals to, so write it 2 as it is. So now we have taken the LCM as 6. So before that we are taking as an equivalent fractions, right? So just we have to multiply here. 2 how much jar? 6 is, that is 2 3 jar 6, that 3 jar we have to multiply to the numerator. Okay, then 25 3 jar 75 plus that 3 how much jar? 6, 3 2 jar 6, right? So that 2 we have to multiply to the numerator. Then 32 2 jar 64. Okay. Now simplify here, which is equals to 2 into 75 plus 64. So 7 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 5 plus 4 is 9. 139 divided by 6. Okay. So you may also cancel here, which is equals to, it is in the form of 2 into 139 divided by 6. You may cancel here, it is 2 by 1, so 2 1s are 2 3s are, so which is equals to 139 divided by 3. Now you may see here it is in the form of improper fraction, then convert into mixed fraction by dividing 139 by 3. 3 4 are 12, subtract remaining 1, take 9 downside, 3 6 are 18 minus 1. So it is the quotient, remainder and divisor. So which is equals to 46 whole 1 by 3 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of rectangular sheet of paper is equals to, therefore perimeter of sheet of paper is equals to 46 whole 1 by 3 centimeter. Is clear? Yes. Now let's go to solve the fifth question. The fifth question is, find the perimeter of first one triangle ABE, second the rectangle BCDE in this figure whose perimeter is greater. So here they are given the figure. So it has having a triangle and a shape of rectangle, and they are given the length of the triangle and the length and breadth of the rectangle. So we have to find out the perimeter of the triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE, and we have to compare which is the greater perimeter. Okay, so first we have to take the perimeter of triangle. So perimeter of triangle they are given, and they are given the length of the AB is 5/2 centimeter, BE is equals to 2 whole 3/4 centimeter, AE is equals to 3 whole 3/5 centimeter. And we know that what is the perimeter of the triangle ABE. So we know that the triangle ABE is in the form of a scaling triangle, means all the sides are unequal, right? So we have to add all the sides, right? So AE plus BE plus AE is the perimeter of triangle ABE. So let's substitute the values of AB, BE and AE here. Okay, then let's solve here, which is equals to, so 5/2 is the improper fraction, 2 whole 3/4 and 3 whole 3/5 or the mixed fraction. First convert this into improper fraction. Okay, so first write down here 5/2 as it is, plus 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 3 11/4, plus 3 5 ja 15, 15 plus 3 18 by 5. Okay, so now you have to take the LCM for these three denominators. Okay, so just you may see here, once you consider here 2 and 4, here 4 is a multiple of 2. Okay, so now the LCM is 4, right? So now you observe here 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers, so the LCM is its product. 4 5s are 20, right? So let's write directly here LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is equals to 20. Okay, so let's do it here, which is equals to LCM is 20. So now 2 how much are 20? Yes, that is 2 10 are 20. Just multiply here the numerator 5/10, and 4 how much are 20? 4 5s are 20. Multiply the numerator by 5, and 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 20. Multiply the numerator by 4. Okay, then multiply here 5 10s are 50, plus 11 5s are 55, plus 18 4s are 72. Okay, now add the numerator, which is equals to 20. Okay, so 50 plus 55 is 105. 105 plus 72 is 177. So 177. So it is in the form of an improper fraction. So convert into mixed fraction by dividing 177 by 20. So 20 how much are 20? 28 ja 160, right? So remaining is 17. So quotient for remainder by divisor is equals to 8 whole 17 by 20 centimeter. So the perimeter of the triangle ABE is equals to 8 whole 17 by 20 centimeter. Okay, then let's compare the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. Okay, the second figure is the rectangle BCDE. So in a rectangle BCDE, BE is equals to 2 whole 3/4 centimeter and ED is equals to 7/6 centimeter. So it is the length of the rectangle and it is the breadth of the rectangle. So what is the perimeter of the rectangle? That is 2 into L plus B. Just substitute the values of length and breadth of the rectangle to the formula. Okay, so which is equals to, so write it 2 as it is. So first to remove the bracket, we have to simplify these two. So 2 whole 3/4 convert into improper fraction. 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11/4 plus 7/6. So 11/4 and 4/6. So add here, which is equals to 2. We have to take the LCM for this 4 and 6. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? LCM 4, 6. Find out here. These two numbers are divisible by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, and 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers. It by any same number, then 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So therefore LCM is equals to 12 here. Then make it, take the denominator as 12, and 4 how much are 12? 4 3 ja 12, 6 how much are 12? 6 2 ja 12. So now multiply here, 11 3 ja 33 plus 7 2 ja 14. Okay, so now simplify this, which is equals to 2 into 33 plus 14. 33 plus 14 is 47 by 12. So which is equals to 2 whole 47 by 12 means it is in the improper fraction. So just you may cancel. It is in the mixed fraction. Just you may write it as 2 into, here it is a 2 into 47 by 12. So it is in the numerator. You may cancel here 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, which is equals to, we will get, so 47 divided by 6. So 47 divided by 6 is an improper fraction. Write it as a mixed fraction by dividing 47 by 6. So 6 7 is 42 minus remaining 5. So which is equals to, quotient is 7 whole 5 by 6 centimeter. Therefore write down, compare here the perimeter of the triangle is 8 whole 17 by 20. Here perimeter of the rectangle is 7 whole 5 by 6. So which perimeter is greater? Yes, the area of perimeter of the perimeter of a triangle is greater. Okay. Therefore, perimeter of triangle ABE is greater. We will write here, that is 8 whole 17 by 20 is greater than 7 whole 5 by 6 centimeter. It's clear? Yes. Then let's go to the sixth question. Yes. The sixth question is, Salim wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 whole 3 by 10 centimeter wide. So how much should the picture be trimmed? So here the width of the picture is greater than the width of the picture frame. So how much we want to trim the picture? So what we have to do, just we have to subtract here. So by how much picture should be trimmed? Okay, then let's find out here. The subtract the given to width of the picture and the picture frame. Okay, so 7 whole 3 by 5 minus 7 whole 3 by 10. Let's subtract here, which is equals to 7 whole 3 by 5. So convert into improper fraction. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 3, 38 by 5 minus 10 7 is 70. 70 plus 3 is 73 divided by. You may observe here. So you have to subtract these two fractions. So to subtract, we have to take the LCM. So 5 and 10. So 5 and 10 are the multiples of 5. Right? So the LCM is equals to, the LCM of 5 and 10 is equals to 10. Okay? So here 10 is a multiple of 5. So the LCM is 10. Okay? Then let's subtract here, which is equals to, so 5 how much are 10? 5 2 ja 10. So multiply the numerator by 2, and 10 how much are 10? 10 1 ja 10, and multiply the numerator by 1. So in 38 2 ja 76 minus 73 divided by, the LCM is 10. Okay, which is equal to 76 minus 73 is 3 divided by 10 centimeter. So it is in the proper fraction. Okay, it is a 10 centimeter. Therefore, the picture should be trimmed by, therefore the picture should be by 3 by 10 centimeters. It's clear? Yes. Then let's go to solve the question number 7. Yes. The question number 7 is Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. So how much part of the apple did Somu eat? So who had the larger share by how much? So here Ritu ate 3 by 4 of an apple. In one apple she ate 3 by 5 part and Somu ate and the remaining part was eaten by her brother Somu. Then how much part of the apple did Somu eat? We have to find out. Then who had the larger share by how much? Okay. So first write down here the part of an apple. The part of an apple eaten by Ritu is 3 by 5 and the part of an apple eaten by Somu is in one part, in one whole fruit she eaten 3 by 5 part. So we have to subtract, then we will get the part of an apple eaten by Somu. Okay. So 1 is a whole number, we can write it as 1 by 1 minus 3 by 5. So what is the LCM of 1 and 5? So 1 and 5 is 5 itself. 1 how much of 5? 1 5 is 5. 5 how much of 5? 5 1 is 5. Then right here 1 5 is 5 minus 3 1 is 3, which is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 part is eaten by Somu. Okay. Then let's find out. Then let's find who had the larger share by how much. Now compare here. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part and Somu ate 2 by 5 part. Then who had the larger share? So we observe here the denominators are same. Which numerator is greater? That is the greater fraction. Means Ritu ate larger share. Okay. Yes. Here Ritu had the largest share by how much? Yes. Let's find out here. Larger share by Ritu's part. Which is equals to larger share is how much? 3 by 5, that is Ritu share minus Somu shares, which is equals to, we have both the denominators are same, write the denominator 5 as it is and subtract the numerator 5 minus 2, which is equals to 3 minus 2 is 1 by 5. So Ritu shares is 1 by 5 part is larger than the Somu's share. Okay, write down. Therefore, Ritu's part is 1 by 5 part more than Somu's part. Clear? Yes. Then let's go to solve the last question, that is 8th one. The last question is Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours and Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So what we have done the previous example, with the same thing we have to find out. So first compare these two fractions. So who worked longer? Okay. Let's write down here. The time taken by Michael is 7 by 12 hours and the time taken by Vaibhav is 3 by 4 hours. So can you compare who has taken the more time? Okay. So compare here 7 by 12 and 3 by 4 are unlike fractions. So convert it as a like fraction by taking the LCM. What is the LCM of 4 and 12? So we observe here 12 is a multiple of 4. So the LCM is 12. LCM is 12. Then 7 by 12 is as it is. Okay. 4 how much are 12? 4 3 ja 12. Then 3 3 ja 9 by 12. So 7 by 12 and 9 by 12. So which is greater? So 9 by 1 is greater. So we can say that time taken by y1 is greater, means longer. Okay. Y1 worked longer time. So by how much? Right. So by write down here, y1 worked longer time. Then next, so y1 worked longer time by how much? Y1 worked longer time by how much? Which is equals to, subtract here, y1 worked 9 by 12 hours minus 7 by 12 hours, which is equals to, both the denominators are same here, subtract the numerator, 9 minus 7, which is equals to 2 by 12. So it is not in the reduced form or simplest form, just convert it into simplest form, 1 by 6, which is equals to 1 by 6 hours. And write down y1 worked then write y1 to therefore y1 to 1 by 6 hours more than y1. More than y1. Clear? Yes. Up to here we have completed the exercise 2.1. So in the next class we are going to learn about the multiplication of fractions. Okay.